This week on Dak and Ju, we're talking about how to make actually good salmon.
This recipe is by Alison Roman, and it is using all of this in-season citrus, so get on it, and a ton of herbs. Yum.
All right, so first things first, we have one blood orange. You could also use like a cara.
Yeah.
You can use a cara orange if you didn't want to get a blood orange.
Or regular orange.
Or regular.
The recipe that we'll probably publish on the site is for 4 to 6 people. We're cutting that down and making it smaller, so measurements will not match what's on the website, and just flow with it. This is about 1 pound of salmon, and we've just taken the skin off, because I don't know, and then put it in a baking dish.
I never take the skin off.
I don't either, but
We're doing it for the sake of Allison.
we are. We're going to season both sides with tons of tasty, freshly cracked pepper, lots of salt. Oh,
Rub it in.
oopsie,
Lots of salt.
but not that much.
If there's any big seeds in here, try and remove them.
And the seeds are what make the citrus so bitter.
Is that true?
Yeah. So we've seasoned with salt and pepper. So just making a little bed of citrus and
Citrus bed.
yeah.
We are going to drizzle this with a ton of olive oil, like a cup. It's almost like you're poaching it in oil.
Yeah.
It seems like a lot, but trust us, don't skimp. Don't skimp. We're really trying to avoid the dry puck salmon.
Our oven is preheated to 300 degrees, and we're just gonna pop this in there, like Julie said, just low and slow.
Low and slow. We're gonna keep it in there until the edges are just kind of turning opaque, and it seems like it's almost all the way cooked because it will continue to cook once we take it out.
People can be really afraid of sort of like pinkish salmon, but you eat freaking sushi.
It's not supposed to crumble when you bite into it.
Oh my god, no. Like if it's getting sort of like a lot of that white thing around it, it's just like overcooked, it's overdone. Cooked it too fast, too hot.
Low and slow, people.
Depending on how your salmon is cut, you're gonna wanna watch the time. This was in for about 15 to 20 minutes just because our pieces were pre-sliced. If you have one long fillet, it may take closer to 25 minutes. You just want to watch it.
The goal is to have these nice big flakes that come off, right?
Yeah, and also, it's still sitting in hot oil, so it's continuing to cook. So even if it's a little underdone, just in this time that I've been talking, it's maybe overcooking, so let's go.
Let's go. We're just doing a medley of herbs that we had in the fridge. Just happened to have them. Mint, fresh tarragon, some parsley, and a little bit of basil, just to add some color, add some nice freshness.
We're also going to do a drizzle of about a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Little olive oil, little herbs. Yeah, mama.
Yum.
Such a good citrus flavor. Mine had a little bite of mint on it.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, really, it's you don't need to do much to salmon. Honestly, when I'm cooking it for myself, a lot of times I'll just do olive oil and a ton of salt and pepper and a little lemon. This is like that, just slightly enhanced, where it's still really simple. The salmon is still the focal point.
Elevated simplicity.
Ooh,
Ooh, like that?
yeah.
Yeah.